Only attack on me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
No little traitor on no blood clot. Lucky said the people them brainwash. Police are murder.
Yeah, man, no. Move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now, for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, boss a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, Sir P Vex, Sir P in our feelings, he make a statement, and it is definitely true. Depending on the outcome that you are seeking, the pen is more powerful than the sword. Now, in modern times, what that actually means is that sometimes a thoughtful statement can be the spark that people need for start to wait. The light bulb pop on, and they must say, yo, you know, say, I saw it go, and them start to get a different mindset on what is taking place. Now, Scatter says something about Sir P and dancehall music and dancehall artists. And that's true. The way him talk about dancehall artists is almost like him have something against dancehall artists. And truth be told, even though Sir P is known for what some would consider exposing things that the higher ups, the 116 octanes as he would dub them. But Sir P was in truth and in fact a member of the same system. As he said, he's an ex-JDF member. So at one point in time, his mindset and views on the country and the citizens were the same as the system. And it looked like he didn't lose majority, right? Because him choose to talk about certain things specifically and strategically. This time, him choose to talk about Vybz Kartel simply because Vybz Kartel agreed with Scatterbarrel viewers and subscribers. And I would say this, even though Sir P is known for exposing and talking about things where certain people that say, yo, he's not supposed to talk about. You don't feel like him get PH from it. That's why I'm going to tell him say, oh, he won't take a buyout or a PR. But what has happened is, just like in Colombia, I know certain people used to deal with it, it's either silver or lead. And it looked like now, to appease these same 116 octane as he would dub them, the powers that be, the same people who don't like Vybz Kartel, guess how them recruit? Sir P. And this a film due diligence now, what am I going to do? And say, alright, we are looking to the matter, so we can talk about. And at the same time, two birds, one stone starter meds. He can respond to Scatterbarrel and Vybz Kartel. Because him respond to Scatter too. Him says Scatter talk about black power and this and that when him and Joe are roll. And him say him fall out with him black brother and sister them because of Joe. Business move. I don't know what it actually take place at Down Sound, and it don't look like it actually know neither. But it just a point to that because Scatter is an individual we talk about. Know what I mean? Black empowerment and things of that nature. Sir P feel like him smart. Sir P, I use the tactics taught to him by the JDF. But I will say this though, dancehall music and dancehall artists, despite community connections, because let's not get it twisted, members of the community are engaged in their affairs while entertainment is still there in the community prominently. Dance still a keep, you know what I mean? Entertainment sector still are bringing millions in the island. So people are friends of friends. It is easy for someone to use someone's name and try to paint a picture and make it look convincing to you. Because as we are say, him known for talking about things where nobody know to talk about. So when him say it, yes, people who pay attention to him program we feel like a true and I say yes, Sir P, you know, because him always talk some things and know some things. Nice effort. Nice effort. And as I would say, certain things we mention might have credibility because being an ex-JDF, him still have friends who are members today. So I'm privy to certain information where the public wouldn't really privy to. Sometimes, in certain cases, certain instances, because even film friend them right now, if you know them, I said to him, because he is now known as what we consider a rat. In true form. So, even them know would I be, you know what I mean? Kind of hesitant to even tell him about certain things where them are deal. That would be a case where already take place already, and you know what I mean? That's past certain phases. But really and truly, him not have no facts for really stand up to him statements. Him not really have no facts for stand up to him statements at this point in time. He might use, however, the platform him have to express him discontent with scatterbarrel statements, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, it's simply that. Him simply offended by what scatterbarrel say. Him feel like normally, you know, it go. Him not talk about people, and majority of the people him choose to mention are people who would not use their platform to talk about him. But Scatter decides, you know what? We are going to address the matter. And Sir P feel away. Scatter go as far as to do it in a theme style. I'm throwing all the mass vice type of thing. Scatter is, hey, I want to Scatter do it. Scatter definitely will a vibe to it. While it might look more serious to Sir P, he might feel a way about it. Scatter really and truly just to show the people them say, yo, just like him always point out many other things. Say. But I too feel like say you see him, I do him I do, and I make it look like say him a bring you know what I mean, secret knowledge, and not necessarily no secret knowledge. These are things where you can Google. But very few individuals choose for actually do research on many of the topics where them see on the news. Them probably just take it as face value. So if them see that go on and that's what the initial reporter say, they don't really follow up what really take place before, leading up, or what took place after. So, you know what I mean? Them take it as it is what it is. But majority of the things them talk about are things that if it's true, you can look it up. But remember, even investigators doing investigation, a piece it together. It's not like them have the entire story. So if you run with parts of an investigation, it might not be true. Even though there might be things pointing to that. But I don't really say it. I want to wish to mention the names of the individuals we mentioned on the program. Because we are one and the same thing. And as I said, the proof where people feel like him have a way him go put out, there is no proof. Him not going to put out that. Him just do it because he didn't have feelings. They must say, no, we can address the matter in a unique form. You know what I mean? We can make a post about it. And we can drop the video. Or we can do the name calling and we can go gimmickal and, you know what I mean, make everybody get a laugh and tell them some things and, yeah, nice attempt. Nice attempt. But me ain't know this. We are use a psychology. And the teacher knows this. And other than that, we are trying on you. I guess that's why you know it. It was taught here, wasn't it? But we are trying on you. And, you know, in this day and age, there are intelligent individuals with us on the island. People who can pick sense from nonsense. They're just saying, you can fool some of the people some of the time, but you can't fool all the people all the time. And it's the same in this case. You might can talk about some people all the time and people agree with you and jump with you, but you mentioned certain things about dancehall artists. And you have done so before, even with quite a situation. Scatter decide say, no, we're going to address the situation. We have a platform and we can talk about it too as well. And he mentioned it. For you, somebody who talk about somebody all the while, you seem to be quite offended when somebody talk about you. I don't understand why. Bye to the one called Jayden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and yes, I'm reminding you now, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, they just a pass through, but they like the reason, of course, they like the point of view. Well, I am suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, like icon today. Comment section open 24/7. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But talk to me. But I know you feel about Sir P's statements and the timing of the statements. What motivated? Yeah. If you don't feel like say this is clearly an attempt by Sir P and the powers that be for do put a spotlight on Vybz Kartel again for another negative reason, viewers and subscribers. Painting a picture using false information. But it's the one called Jayden, as I said before, and you man move settings from we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and Jersey, I want to live, love and prosper until we reason again.